In this lecture, I'm going to show you what is content-aware scaling. And the beautiful model in the picture is Maria from Moscow, and I've shot this picture inside the studio against the white background and then replaced the background in Photoshop. However, that's not related to our topic right now, but probably it can inspire you or motivate you to learn Photoshop more aggressively. So coming back to the topic, I'm going to scale this image. So I have two layers over here which is already done for you in the project file. You have to download this file, and I have already created two layers. If you don't see the layers panel, hit F7 on the keyboard or go to window and open layers panel. In the layers panel, I have these two layers. Let me rename that for you, which is content aware. This is just to indicate what we are doing. And of course, you're going to learn about layers in detail later, but right now, this is more than enough. So first we'll do the normal scaling. So I have to just click on this normal layer. And as you know, say Control and T on the keyboard and hold Shift, because we just want to drag this picture in the vertical or the horizontal plane. So this happens when you get photographs and you probably want to stretch the photograph to fit to the website slider, for example, or the website advertisement banners, and this situation occurs. So in that case, let me use the normal scaling. So I say Control T to transform, holding Shift because it's a new Photoshop version. And if you're using a very old version of Photoshop, don't use the Shift key. So I'm using the latest Photoshop updated version. So I'm holding Shift and you drag like this. And what happens to your picture is something disastrous. And this is what normally happens. So I'll just click outside, or in case of older Photoshop version, you have to hit enter key on the keyboard or click on this button. So I'll click this on this button, and this is what you get by dragging the picture, which is not acceptable. So now come back to the normal layer and click on this button, which is to make this layer visible or invisible. Now I clicked it to make it invisible. So what we see is a layer beneath content aware. Here we'll use the content aware feature of Photoshop. And to do that, you have to go to edit and say content aware scale. Alt Shift Control C is the shortcut, but then we don't use this option very often, and you don't have to worry about the difficult shortcut keyboard shortcuts. Don't worry about it, just because it's not regularly used feature, but I use that regularly. As you see my work in this picture, I do this regularly, and many of my clients come to me because of this expertise, and many of people don't even believe that this is a manipulated picture, and that's what I do for living. So I know all the keyboard shortcuts anyway. So Control Shift Alt and C, and now I hold Shift on the keyboard and scale it the way we transform image, and you see what's happening over there. It's damaging the picture. Perfectly all right, but look at the model on the top. It is not at all damaging this model's image. Until now, after so much of dragging, just the bottom half of the model is getting affected. So let me say escape to cancel this scaling. And now again I'll say Control Shift Alt and C, or edit and content aware scale. And this time look at the option bar on the top. This option is protect skin tone. Just click on that. What it does, it recognizes the human figure with the skin tone. And now let me hold on Shift and drag. No damage so far, no damage so far, no damage so far, and no damage so far. On this side, no damage so far. You look at the model's picture, It's absolutely untouched in spite of dragging this much. And then I click outside to accept this transformation. You see some damaged portion of the image like sky and this text and the shape of this yacht, but which can be taken care of once you learn Photoshop properly. You'll understand that this is matter of few minutes to repair all of that. And that's what is content aware scaling. Let me compare that. This is our normal scaling and this is content aware scaling. So I'm giving this PSD file in the resource section. You can download and do this yourself.